Welcome to GT Quiz 24. Today's challenge, Top 10 Spelling Quiz. 99% fail. Can you score 10 out of 10? Okay, check out your spelling skills. You have 5 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. First question for you. The correct answer is option C. Next question. Option B is the right answer. Question number 3. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Option B is the right answer. Question 5. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Option C is the right answer. Question 7. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Option B is the right answer. Question number 9. The correct answer is option C. Get ready for your last question. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Option C is the right answer. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoying the quiz, hit the like button and subscribe to GT Quiz 24.